Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to post Instagram Reels on Snapchat story. So first of all, launch your Instagram application and open the reel, and you will need to save the reel. So for that, tap on this little paper plane icon and tap on add reel to your story, and now resize the reel. And then tap on this three dot icon to the upper right hand corner and tap on save. So the reel has been saved to my gallery. Now I'm going to opening my Snapchat and tapping on this gallery icon here, camera roll, and selecting the reel which one I just downloaded from my Instagram. Now tapping on send to and selecting my story and tapping on my story, and that's how we can post Instagram Reels on Snapchat story. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5 Minute Solution. Thank you for watching.